Welcome to this guided meditation for the upcoming Total Lunar Eclipse in Virgo. This is a powerful time for releasing what no longer serves you, creating a space for clarity and aligning with your highest path. The eclipse's energy encourages reflection, healing, and organization, helping you to shed outdated patterns and step into greater balance. So find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, allowing your spine to be straight but relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep, steadying breath. And begin by bringing your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth. With each inhale, draw in calming energy, and with each exhale, release any tension or stress. Now, visualize roots extending from the base of your spine, growing down into the earth. These roots travel deeper and deeper, anchoring you to the core of Mother Earth. Feel her steady, nurturing energy rising back through the roots, filling your body with stability and strength. Say silently or aloud, I am grounded. I am safe. I am connected to the earth. Now bring your awareness to the sky above. Imagine the luminous, glowing full moon in Virgo shining brightly. The eclipse has begun. Feel the moon's energy shifting, a celestial dance of light and shadow. Visualize a soft silver light radiating from the moon, flowing down toward you It moves through the crown of your head, spreading throughout your body, a gentle, purifying energy. You can say silently or aloud, "I welcome the healing light of this lunar eclipse." I am open to release, realign, and renew. As the eclipse deepens, imagine the moon's light intensifying, revealing hidden aspects of yourself, outdated beliefs, emotional blocks, fears, and habits that no longer serve you. Picture these patterns as dark, heavy threads within you, and feel the lunar light gently untangling and dissolving these threads. With each exhale, release what surfaces. Release self-doubt. Release perfectionism. Release any need to control outcomes. Let go of limiting beliefs about your worth and abilities. And as you breathe out, see these threads dissolving into the light, transforming into shimmering stardust. Say silently or aloud, "I release all that no longer aligns with my highest good." These lower frequencies cannot exist within this divine light. Now, with space cleared within you, visualize streams of radiant golden light flowing down from the cosmos. Pure source energy encoded with higher frequencies and divine wisdom. Feel this light moving through your body, filling every cell with new codes of awareness, balance, and expansion. See these codes swirling within you like shimmering symbols, unlocking deeper layers of your intuition and soul purpose. Say silently or aloud, I receive these higher frequencies with ease. I align with my soul's evolution and divine truth. As the eclipse reaches its peak, feel yourself standing tall, clear, aligned, and radiant. Imagine a thread of light running from the crown of your head through your heart and down into the core of the earth. This thread anchors you between heaven and earth, a perfect balance of cosmic wisdom and grounded stability. And you can say, I am anchored in my truth. I am balanced between the earthly and the divine. I am whole. Remember, this eclipse is a doorway, and you have released what no longer serves you, and you are now aligned to receive what is meant for your highest path. You are grounded. You are clear. And you're ready. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Become aware of where you are in space and time. Feel the surface beneath you and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Place both hands over your heart and take a deep breath in, feeling immense gratitude for this moment of release and renewal. And when you're ready, open your eyes, carrying the sense of clarity and alignment with you.